Good morning. We're going to do Wednesday. Remember, we're starting with rhyming. So you're going to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Map, nap. Yep, map and nap rhyme. Fish, dish. Thumbs up. Dive home. No, dive and home do not rhyme. Low bow. Yeah. Shoe new. Thumbs up, shoe new rhyme. Okay, we're going to do the beginning sound. I'll say it and then you repeat it. Tuesday, toe, t. Friday, few, f. Wednesday with w. Saturday, sight, s. Monday, made, Good job. We're going to blend words together. Remember, let me do it, and then you copy me. Muffin, muffin. Hammer, hammer. Dirty, dirty. Jungle, jungle. Net, neatest, neatest. Okay, good job. We're going to do the middle sounds now. B, ag, a. F, l, e. S, it, I. Ought, ah. R, un, Good job. Okay, we're going to chop our syllables. Remember, let me do it first, and then you do it. Newer, newer. Happy, happy. Gladly, gladly. Winter, winter. Retie, retie. Okay, great job. Now we're going to add syllables. We have the word cool, add S to the end, and it makes coolest. We have the word bright, add S to the end, it makes brightest. Good. We have the word high, add S to the end, it makes highest. We have the word large, add S to the end, it makes largest. We have the word strong, add S to the end, it makes strongest. Good job. Okay, now we're going to take one of our syllables away. We have the word helpful, take away full, what's left? Help. We have the word hopeful, take away full, what's left? Hope. We have the word wishful, take away full, what's left? Wish. We have the word playful, take away full, what's left? Play. We have the word thankful, take away full, what's left? Thank. Good job. Okay, our nursery rhyme this week is Hey Diddle Diddle. Let's see if you guys remember this one. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight. And the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.